Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rockstar Launcher and verify game files, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Rockstar Launcher, open your web browser. Go to the official Rockstar Games website. Look for the Games section in the top menu. Scroll down until you find the Rockstar Launcher option. Click on the Rockstar Launcher link to access its dedicated page. On the Rockstar Launcher page, locate the download button. Click the download button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, launch the Rockstar Launcher. You will be prompted to log in or create a Rockstar account. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the game you want to verify in your library. Right-click on the game title from the library list. Select the Verify Game Files option from the drop-down menu. The launcher will begin verifying the game files. This process may take several minutes, depending on the size of the game. Once verification is complete, any missing or corrupted files will be repaired. You will receive a notification indicating that the verification is finished. Your game is now ready to play without issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.